Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of creative type manipulation tutorials. So let's see what I have done here. So I applied preset and other stuff. So from the beginning I want to say like that. So this one was the photo and the background like that. So all the things was like that. So at first I took a background, then added a light and control, there's the brightness, and added a fake light and added shadow and other stuffs. So I just took that girl and the things of the fairies and shadows and like this, and the lights and other stuffs, and then added the snows and then merge it out and then cross processing, that is 4. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So go to the file and new, and I'll take like a print form, that is the A4 size, and hit the create button, and then go to the file and place embedded options, and here is the background, and I make the fill of this background. So I'll make the background like that, press Ctrl T and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's fine. And now I'll crop it out. So select this area only and press C from the keyboard and just crop it out. So press Ctrl T and adjust this one. Yeah, that's good. And right press and restylize this layer. Okay, after that file and open up, I'll open up this photo, that is the stock image, and I'll cut the girl from this background and just replace that things in this background. So how to do that? Unlock this one and just crop it out. Select this area, press C from the keyboard and enter. And after that, go to the selection tool, quick selection tool. I'm using here quick selection tool, and you can use your own convenient selection tool to make the selection. So quick selection tool is convenient to me. You can use pen tool and other stuffs, so you can use that. When you are selecting, just be careful all the area is selected, and if you want to deselect any area, press the Alt button and just brush over there. I want to select this one. You can control the brush size by pressing third bracket opening and closing, and here I want to deselect this portion, press the Alt button, the minus sign will appear and deselect this portion. That's good. In the lower portion, that's good, I'll select this area, this portion, the leg. So I'll deselect this area, this portion as well. So that's good. Almost all the things is selected, but I want to deselect this portion. So press the Alt button and deselect this and deselect this area. So yeah, that's good. So now go to the select options and select and mask, press the shift button and hold it and select this one, and these settings will appear. And now I'll refine the edges, which is like that. So I'll make it zoom, a little bit zoom. Yeah, then make the brush size bigger by pressing third bracket closing, and brush those area which one you want to make more like smooth or precisely edges. So the edges will be more amazing. So like that, this portion. So white edges, I want to remove the white edges. So for that you have to make it smooth, more smooth. And the feather, you should reduce the feather, and edge shifting, you should make the edge shifting like that. So yeah, that's good. And radius like that. Yeah, that's good. So you have to control all the things, so don't make it more like edge shifting like that, or otherwise it will be like spoiled. So here, that's fine. This portion, so I'm just selecting this portion. Okay, select these options, layer, new layer with the layer mask, and hit the OK button. So you'll get the background that is removed, background removed. So I'll take this girl and place it in this photo. So press Ctrl T and make it like selection like that. Yeah, that's good. So press Ctrl T and flip horizontal. I'll make it like that. That's good. So make it a little bit smaller like that. Yeah, that's good. And hit the tick button. and right press and here the apply layer mask. So here is some white portion, you can delete that. So select, go to the select options and select this portion and delete this and delete this area as well. And here is some white portion, select this portion and delete this, and here as well select that. Okay, after that I'll add wings and other stuff. So go to the file and open up, here is wings PSD file, and I'll give you that file download link in my video description. So I'll select this one and I'll take this one in this window, press Ctrl T and make it smaller like that. So place it in this portion, that's good, and hit the tick button and press Ctrl J and press Ctrl T and make it like flip horizontal and place this one in this portion and hit the tick button. Okay, now I will adjust the light and other stuff. So light is coming from the left side, that's why the right side will be more darker. So select this photo at first and take a new blank layer, right press and create clipping mask, and then go to the brush tool and take the first one brush and make the color like black color and opacity like 60 or 57%, that's fine, and make the blending mode multiply and make it bigger the brush size if you need. So here you can brush over here, make the brush size bigger, that's good, and this portion will be like that. So shadow, and select this one, not this one, this one, and same process, take a new blank layer and right press and create clipping mask and brush over. So adjust the opacity of the darkness, so you have to just adjust that, that's good, and these things make it downside, yeah, that's good, and adjust the things, yeah, I'll make it like this, and this one as well, yeah, that's good, it's more convenient and more realistic, that's fine. And now I'll give some shadow and other stuff. So I'll select this and make it group and give the name wings, that's fine. And now I'll take a new blank layer and go to the like brush tool and first one brush, and the opacity will be same, just brush over here, press Ctrl T, you can control the shadow and give the shadow over here. So here's the under of the legs, yeah, hit the tick button. Okay, that's good. Now here is a big shadow, so you can draw a shadow like that. So that's fine, you can control the opacity, yeah, that's good. And now I'll select these three things and make it group and give the name girl. Okay, that's fine. And now just select this background, take a new blank layer and go to the brush tool and make the opacity 100% and flow 100%, make the color white and just select once, press Ctrl T and make it bigger and just place over here and make the opacity down a little bit, yeah, that's fine. And that is the light layer. Okay, that's good. And now I'll give some like the snow. So go to the file and place embedded options, and here is some snow. So not this one, here is another snow, yeah, make it bigger and hit the tick button. So make the blending mode to screen and then go to the filter and blur and motion blur. So make the motion blur like that, so according to the like here, so this one, yeah, motion or the angle will be 36 and the distance will be 27, that's fine. If you need, you can make it more like blurry and hit OK. So you're getting like that. Okay, select these two things, actually all the things, make it group and make it merge. After merging that, go to the filter and Nik Collection, color effects Pro 4. Now time for adding another effects from the Nik Collection. Nik Collection is another plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. Here I'm using the cross processing, this one, and from here lots of methods and filters in this preset, so you can use one of them. Which one is convenient to you, I don't know, but in this case I will use Z05 and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output. So it's taking time. And then go to the adjustment layer and go to the levels. From here I'll increase the lights a little bit and other stuff. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, you are getting amazing look of fantasy, all the things. So press Ctrl S for the save things and fairy 2. And if you want to get some logo over here, go to the file and place embedded options, and if you have any kind of logo you can, so this one, and I'll make it smaller like that and hit the tick button and just place it in here. Right press blending options and color overlay. I'll make it white color and give the opacity like 48%. That's fine. So press Ctrl S, and if you want to get the JPG format, press Ctrl Shift S, and here is some formats. Go to the JPG options, fade it to and save it out and hit the OK button. So you're getting amazing creative type fantasy look or fantasy manipulation of your photographs or stock image. You can make the creative looks of that. So that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you have the download link of the presets and other stuffs, the plugins, please check out my video description. Don't forget to thumbs up and share with your friend. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.